Hi, it's Dr. Jan, and his part two of Who Becomes a Workplace Bully. So my theory about workplace bullying is that it actually doesn't really have very much to do with who we are as people, but it has everything to do with the organizational culture that we're working in that supports, encourages, and rewards, and even expects us to engage in workplace bullying. So we become socialized into the role of bully because that is the most powerful role. Okay, you may not come into the organization as a bully, but if you're coming in the organization as a bystander and you're watching those behaviors, okay, eventually that behavior of yelling at your colleagues, of mistreating the target, of sending cyber emails, of laughing and making fun of that person, that becomes normalized. Okay. And you soon realize when you are in bully culture that to get what you want, to get ahead, to make sure that your life is less difficult, you engage in bullying behaviors. Okay. And so bullying is, again, not about who we are. It's about the environment and the organizational culture that we're working in. And if the first theory, if somebody had a personality disorder or whatever, a high conflict personality, right? Then that theory should go like this. If I'm the person who has a personality disorder and I'm the bully, when I leave that environment, the bullying should stop. But we know that's not what happens. In organizations that have bully culture, even if the bully cycles out of the organization, what we know is role shift happens. That means either somebody new comes in and takes over that role of bully, or most likely there's somebody in that work culture that rolls over. So a bystander becomes a bully, somebody else becomes a target, and it maintains that bad behavior. So bullying has nothing to do with your personality, but it has everything to do with the organization that you're working in that supports, encourages, and rewards bad behavior.